It's so humid today. I don't do well in humid weather. I do well in dry heat, but like wet heat, I can't breathe. Like I can't breathe. Can I? Mummy's hair's all frizzy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm all sweaty. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing another vlogging what we're up to for the couple of days, what we're eating, maybe a recipe or two, and I know that's what I thought, recipe or two, and just general chit chat. Why is it no one warns you before you become a parent about the sheer amount of time you will spend cleaning up the high chair and underneath the high chair? Yes, because of you. Genuinely, it's relentless, obviously, because he's always eating, but it's mental. Yeah, that high chair is constantly being cleaned. I know. He's just had for lunch chicken sandwich, watermelon, and half a banana, haven't you? You love your watermelon. So we just had lunch, and whilst he was eating lunch, I took the opportunity to mop the floor, because obviously it's very hard to do that when you've got a baby. I only mop it with like an eco-friendly cleaner, and generally mostly just hot water, like boiling hot water from the kettle, gets up most things on the floor and it sanitizes it. So we don't have too many cleaning products around, but today needed good old scrub. So it's really grey outside. We were going to go into the garden and play. We've had a really busy day so far. The day's just flying by. The days are disappearing before my very eyes, aren't they? And we've got to go outside. When we have lunch and dinner and breakfast and things, we go through our flashcards. I'll link these down below. They're great. They're like £2. And we do like 3 words at a time. And I want to see if he'll do it, but he knows how to meow when you show him the cat. What does a cat say? That's a lion. Rawr. What does a cat say? That's a lion. What does a lion say? Yeah, good boy. And he knows lion. Okay, so yeah, I'll link these below. They're fantastic. So we've got a couple of things to do this week. It's Lawrence's birthday, so I need to do this thing I saw on TikTok where you paint, because obviously he's too young to write in a card at the moment, but you can like do their footprints and turn it into animals, and there's one where you can turn it into a dinosaur. So I saw it on TikTok. I'm gonna try it. Oh, we're both drinking at the same time. Yeah, so we're gonna try that for Lawrence's birthday later, maybe tomorrow morning, and when he's out again. So we've got to get that done. I've realised I have an unused clip that I filmed and I completely forgot about, where Lawrence and I went to Waitrose and picked up one of their Too Good To Go goodie bags, and I totally forgot to include it in one of my foodie videos. So I'm probably going to include that clip in a second, if that's okay. It's from a few weeks ago, but it'll be interesting for you guys to see like what Waitrose offered in terms of the Too Good To Go and like the price and stuff. So yeah, I will include that in a bit later on in the vlog, or in a bit. Yeah, so that's it. If you're new here, by the way, hello, welcome, subscribe if you want to. I wonder if people join my videos, like join my channel based on these videos. Like, is this the first time you're watching this channel? That would be interesting, because most of the videos that I get new subscribers from or new viewers from, people that find my channel, is like foodie videos, 5 under 25 meals, frugal eating. So it'd be interesting to know if like this pops up and you watch it. That'd be interesting to know, actually. Anyway, we're gonna go outside because he has generally finished lunch. Actually, before we go, I want to show you this package that we've just received from, no address, from Purdy and Fig. And it's a powerful, clean, eco-friendly, essential oil based cleaning company. Yeah, they sent me this package, which I'm really excited about. So I read ages ago somewhere that most, like 99% of a cleaning product you buy is water. It's literally just water. And that's kind of scary, because that means all like millions of gallons of water are needlessly being transported every day. Like, think of a lorry full of like a big bottle of cleaner. Most of that's just water, and that lorry's just got loads of these things in, where you could send the cleaning product, which is just that much of that bottle, and then only little boxes, and then you need smaller lorries or less travelling or less trips. I don't know, to me that makes sense. So it's actually something I've read ages ago and I totally kind of forgot. And now I'm thinking, what a fantastic idea to have a company that provides you a reusable spray pot. I've got tons of spray pots in my cleaning cupboard that are almost empty that I can use going forward, just to reduce like getting rid of plastic and reuse plastic. And then they send you the cleaning bottles and you just put a drip of this. So pour in 20 ml of concentrate. This is 20 ml, so this is one whole cleaning thing. And fill with tap water and shake and you can spray. And then it comes with stickers, super cute. They've got uplifting citrus, balancing floral, grounding, the calming and confident one. So, oh, the grounding vetiver has sweet orange, coriander and vetiver. Vetiver. I've never heard of vetiver. Weird. We've got uplifting citrus, which has sweet orange, grapefruit peels, and nyalo leaves. Can you tell that he's loves screaming at the moment? But I'm trying not to react too much. Balancing floral, rose, geranium, lemon peel. Oh, I'm going to use this one. And they're all multi-surface cleaners. Anyway, I'm going to fill this up. I'm going to put him on the floor so he can crawl around whilst I clean his high tray, and we're going to test it out. Honestly, I love this cleaner. It smells delightful. It smells so fresh and clean and non-chemical, which I love. I hate this, particularly since pregnancy. When I got pregnant, the smell of cleaning products just like made me absolutely sick to my stomach. We basically had to just clean everything with boiling hot water and lemons. And ever since then I've not been able to kind of get over that smell. So this is fantastic. I really like it. Also, these little bottles I'm going to repurpose as something else because they're glass. I really like this brand. Purdy and Fig, I've left their details down below. Anyway, I need to go and can you see the Hoover moving? Someone loves this Hoover. I have to take off the heavy bit of the Hoover so it's safe for him to play with. But we're going to go out in the garden now anyway, just because I want to get some fresh air before the evening. Yeah, see the cats, but I'm going to put in the little Waitrose Too Good To Go part here now for you to watch, and I'll see you either later on or tomorrow morning when we're doing the birthday stuff. So you walked in and they just gave it to you, yeah?
Yeah.
So Lawrence just got home. We got another Too Good To Go, this time from Little Waitrose in a garage, in like a Shell garage near us. And yeah, they do Waitrose food, so apparently they do Too Good To Go. Well, they do, because we ordered it last night.
Yeah.
So let's like see what's inside. I'm really interested because places like Waitrose and M&S is normally very expensive and we don't shop there very often. So how much was this one?
£5.
Okay, £5, so more expensive than the Greggs, and I thought the Greggs was very impressive.
Yeah, there was a lot of stuff in the Greggs, whereas this seems
smaller. Oh, okay. I'm trying not to look. 4 sticky toffee hot cross buns. I'm not joking, you're going to love them.
They sound good actually.
They do.
Dates,
so it's the date 20. Sorry.
Yeah, so they go off. So all the stuff is dated today, I'm going to guess.
But things like this hot cross buns last for ages.
Yeah.
Because they're so sugary, they just like last for ages, and put them in the fridge.
Yeah.
Or freeze.
Or freeze.
Should we freeze them or leave them out? Are you likely to want them in the morning?
And I've still got donuts to eat.
Let's freeze them. Waitrose and Partners.
This is a strawberry jam.
2 sweetly dusted finger donuts filled with stabilised cream. Random.
Nice.
And strawberry jam. Nice, I'll eat them.
Yeah.
They go off tomorrow, so we've got another day with them.
Got a day of them.
This is a bit random.
It's very random. We've got some yogurts.
Nice though, organic. Waitrose.
Yeah. Strawberry, raspberry, peach and cherry.
Do you know what? I'll really enjoy
Bio
them.
Live yogurts. They'll be extra Bio Live after they've passed their expiry date.
Yeah, but again, they'll be absolutely fine.
Oh, my favourite.
And it's got raisins in it.
That's my favourite.
Coronation chicken sandwich. Lawrence loves this.
Yeah.
A sandwich made with roast chicken breast, apricots, sultanas in a coronation curry mayonnaise, cucumber, spinach, coriander, and a sliced malted bread.
Nice.
So those sandwiches are about normally like between £2.50 and £3.50.
Yeah. And
So
yeah, that's gonna be lunch tomorrow. Helping you live holistically. Cheese and pickle sandwich.
yeah, they're like really trying to like zhuzh that up.
Yeah.
It's just cheese and pickle.
It's just a cheese and pickle sandwich. It's not anything
No.
special, but do you know what? It's probably quite nice. It's mature cheddar cheese, pickle and butter.
I love cheese and pickles, so I'll enjoy that. Do you know what?
Yeah.
I'm really tempted to have it now because I'm actually hungry.
Really?
Why am I hungry? I'm so hungry at the moment. Last but not least, a chickpea and bean dal salad. I would never normally buy that,
No.
but I bet it's going to be nice.
Yeah.
I'll probably like cook some pasta and we'll stir it in there.
Yeah. Or with the leftover rice.
True. Nice. So do you know what? Like, it's not as exciting as I wanted it to be, but this has given me the impression that every week it's so different.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm very intrigued to do it very often. So this was already
Yeah, they just
Gave
put
it to
their
me.
hand in a little fridge behind the counter and just threw it at me.
Oh, okay. So they didn't like take one look at
No,
you and judge you.
no, they didn't. They didn't kind of ask me what I wanted. Which the Greggs guy actually said, "Oh, which sandwich do you want?"
Did you not say I want vegan sausage rolls?
No, because he'd already done that bit.
Aw, next time.
It's okay. It's a little underwhelming.
Yeah, it is. But that's probably like £55 worth of food there.
Probably.
I'm actually really impressed with the yogurts, I have to say.
Yeah, I think of all of the things, the coronation chicken and the yogurts are the things I'm most excited for.
Yeah, and they're going to be delicious.
They will be good.
But actually everything we don't have to rush and eat, which I'm happy with because like it's all going to keep very well. The only thing probably you have to rush and eat is this.
Yeah.
Because it's like freshly baked good and these things taste better when they're fresher.
Yeah.
The sandwich you're going to eat tomorrow anyway, I'm going to eat that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yogurts, they're fine. As long as they're sealed, they're fine.
Yeah.
Freezer, that'll be absolutely fine for a good few days.
That's all right.
It's all right. I'm impressed. I think it's worth the £5.
And because it was a little bit more expensive, £5, it's like you kind of look at that and yeah, you kind of it's hard for us to know how much this would cost in Waitrose because we don't shop there.
Oh yeah, £2.50.
But
£1.50. £1 something.
I mean, that sandwich would be more than £2.50
Probably be £3 something.
at least.
That will be £3 something.
Yeah.
That will be £2 something or
Yeah.
£1.99. The
Yeah.
yogurts.
Yeah, they're
Rachel's
good.
Organic. I
Yeah.
might actually have one now.
Yeah.
Ooh, why is there hair on it? No, I won't. Why? Never eating them again.
That's it. Never having yogurt again.
That is it. I'm over it. Anyway, let's go. I'm gonna have something of this now. I can smell something sweet. I think it might be these.
Your donut.
No, for some reason I think I can smell toffee or fudge.
It's probably the sticky toffee pudding.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why I can smell toffee or fudge.
Yeah, but it's sealed, so I shouldn't be smelling. Come on in. That's the card. Yeah, we're gonna paint your foot in it. So I'm not hopeful for this. So what I'm going to do, I don't know how to do this without even touching the paint before we're ready. Sorry about the state of my house as well, but we've got a lot on today. Where is the paint? Why do I put things everywhere? Oh, there it is. Okay. Don't touch, don't touch. Okay, good boy. So, can we roll your trousers up first? Hang on. Ready? Shall we do this foot, your left foot? Yeah? He's not even letting me roll his trousers up, let alone when he's got paint on his feet. I've got the wipes ready. I'm gonna actually pull them out of the pack. Ready. Right, they're sitting there, ready. This is like proper James Bond. I've only got paper, I haven't even got a brush thick enough to paint the bottom of his feet. I've only got a tiny brush and that's just not gonna do the job. So the plan is to put paint on this paper, wipe it on his foot, transfer to card. This is going to be fun. I'm not sure why I've not put a towel down, but it's too late. You're sitting on my lap and I've got no choice but to just go for it. Is that tickly? Don't touch it. Oh, why did I not think about his hands? Is that tickly? Is that tickly? You're doing very well, my darling. Famous last words. Right, this needs to go there. And then you do it upside down. 1, 2, 3. That'll have to do. That'll have to do. That's a good idea. Then I can write Daddy's name inside your foot on there as well. Quick, get the wipes. I mean, TikTok definitely made this look easy. And it, okay, Mummy's just got to do this one bit. I know it's really tickly. Watch. Oh, oh, oh. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The orange on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The orange on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. Why is there bits everywhere? Has your hand got... All right, I'm done. I'm done. I just need to put you over that side. Get the card and the paint away. Well done, honey. That's your foot. Yes, your foot. You did so well. You were really patient. Try not to touch, okay? And then I'm going to draw spikes on the back. And then we're going to draw a dinosaur face. Don't touch. Okay. Come over here. Then we're going to draw a dino face. Yeah? And then we're going to write, Dear Daddy, lots of love from Orin. Happy birthday. So let's let that dry. And let's get rid of the paint stuff.